Hey yo, what's poppin'? Okay, so it was an angel number, and I was like, oh yeah, it's the full moon, and I just touched down, back in my hometown. Gotta take care of some shit. I got more and more business to take care of, like other business, like private business and stuff. Excuse me, sorry. But yeah, like private business and stuff. So I basically had to move back, like because of the state. So, it's the full moon, and I will be charging my crystals and my pendant. Oh, I just dropped my penny. Where it go? Oh, okay. Do I want to charge the penny? I don't think I'm gonna charge the penny, but I'm going to make some moon water too. I'm not gonna show you the moon water because my face ass basically gotta make moon water in a plastic bottle because I don't have as much as I had in previous times. Okay. So yeah, you could probably see my old altar if you go back. I'm also gonna check the weather and see if it rains because Angelite is a pretty soft stone. Calcite is a pretty soft stone. Excuse me. Howlite I think is soft too, and I don't want no issues. Okay, so yeah, let's go at it. Let's go at it. There you go. I just wanted to put the light on them. Guys, look, it's a little friend. It's actually pretty, but I would never touch it. Like, I would never touch it. Like, somebody would have to place it in my hands in order for me to touch it. Like, if I just seen that, like, on me, it's cold as a motherfucker. Sorry if I'm, like, shivering and breathing hard and shit. But, like, if somebody, like eased it on me and was like, hey, touch this slug, just pet it right quick, I'd be like, okay. Like, if I got to, like, if I'm gardening or something, I'd be like, okay, I'm scared, but I okay. But like, if this was just like on my shoulder or something, I would be like, fuck no. But this motherfucker big as shit. It's probably gonna be energized and stuff and like all motherfucking healed and shit and vibrating high and shit because of these crystals. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone. Hopefully it doesn't get on my crystals. Because then I'm gonna have to pick it up and I'm gonna be like, oh, okay. Like, but slugs for real, like they not as scary as like other shit. Like, I'm terrified of centipedes and millipedes. Oh my god, y'all. Like, but yeah, let's get to it. I keep this course here to protect my house. My mom stay here. Like, I love her. Like, I just don't want no shit going on. So I keep one in the back door and one in the front door all the time. Don't ever move it. Beautiful. And it's a little cloudy too. So, I'm going to leave it out here in the sun for a little bit as well. And I'm going to be checking on the weather and stuff. So, yeah, I got me a seashell over here. But, yep. Thanks for watching. Happy full moon in Virgo. Peace.